Introducing the Desmostylus. Imagine a creature emerging from the surf. It's bulky, about the size of a modern hippopotamus. Its thick body is cloaked in wrinkled skin, and its short, stout legs seem more suited for land than water. But then you notice its head. The skull is elongated, with large, tusk-like teeth protruding from its mouth. This isn't a hippopotamus, it's Desmostylus, an extraordinary mammal that roamed the coastlines of the northern Pacific millions of years ago. Desmostylus lived during the Oligocene and Miocene epochs, roughly 37 to 33 million years ago. It was a truly unique animal, unlike anything alive today. Its appearance was a puzzling combination of features, leading to comparisons with hippos, elephants, and even sea cows. However, Desmostylus belonged to its own distinct order, Desmostylia, highlighting its evolutionary singularity. These were hefty creatures measuring up to 10 feet long and weighing an estimated 2 tons. Their robust skeletons suggest a life spent navigating both land and water, making them fascinating examples of evolutionary adaptation. The Desmostylus may be long gone, but its story continues to intrigue paleontologists and enthusiasts alike. The coastal waters of the Oligocene and Miocene teemed with life. These shallow seas provided ample sustenance for a variety of creatures, including the enigmatic Desmostylus. Unlike the predatory whales and sharks that patrolled the deeper waters, Desmostylus was a herbivore, specifically adapted to a diet of seagrass. Its unique teeth, unlike those of any other mammal, were perfectly designed for grazing on this underwater vegetation. Imagine them lumbering through kelp forests, using their powerful limbs to pull up mouthfuls of seagrass. Their strong jaws and specialized teeth would then grind the tough plant matter, extracting vital nutrients. Evidence suggests that Desmostylus preferred shallow, near-shore environments. They likely inhabited estuaries, bays and lagoons, areas where freshwater rivers met the salty ocean. These brackish environments would have provided an abundance of seagrass and other aquatic plants, sustaining the Desmostylus population. The story of Desmostylus, like many prehistoric creatures, is pieced together from fossil evidence. Fortunately, their bones have been discovered in various locations across the northern Pacific, offering glimpses into their ancient lives. Fossils have been unearthed along the western coast of North America, from Alaska down to Baja California. Across the Pacific, discoveries in Japan and Russia further expand the known range of these fascinating creatures. These fossil finds are not limited to bones. Fossilized footprints have also been discovered, providing valuable insights into their locomotion and behavior. These tracks suggest that Desmostylus, while primarily aquatic, could also move on land, albeit clumsily. The distribution of their fossils, spanning both sides of the Pacific, suggests that Desmostylus thrived in a variety of coastal environments. Their presence in these diverse locations highlights their adaptability and success as a species during their time. Desmostylus represents a fascinating chapter in mammalian evolution, showcasing the remarkable adaptability of life on Earth. Their ancestors were terrestrial mammals, likely similar in appearance to small hippos. Over millions of years, driven by the search for food and favorable environments, these creatures gradually transitioned to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. Their bodies underwent significant changes to adapt to this new way of life. Their limbs, once suited for walking on land, became shorter and stouter, better suited for paddling through water. Their nostrils migrated higher on their skulls, allowing them to breathe while partially submerged. This evolutionary journey from land to sea is a testament to the power of natural selection. Desmostylus stands as a prime example of how life can adapt and diversify to exploit new ecological niches. Their story provides a glimpse into the dynamic processes that have shaped the incredible biodiversity of our planet. One of the most captivating aspects of Desmostylus is its utterly unique anatomy. It was a true mosaic of features, borrowing from various mammalian lineages, but ultimately forging its own evolutionary path. Its large size and robust skeleton drew comparisons to hippos, while its tusks and pillar-like legs hinted at a distant kinship with elephants. However, upon closer inspection, Desmostylus reveals a suite of characteristics that set it apart from any other known mammal. Its teeth, for example, were unlike anything seen in other herbivores. Instead of the sharp incisors and flat molars of grazing animals, Desmostylus possessed a mouthful of oddly shaped cylindrical teeth. These teeth, resembling a cluster of tightly packed tubes, were perfectly designed for grinding tough seagrass. This unique dental adaptation underscores the specialized diet of Desmostylus and its remarkable adaptation to a marine environment. The most striking feature of the Desmostylus skull was undoubtedly its dentition. While most herbivorous mammals possess teeth designed for grinding or shearing plant matter, Desmostylus took a different approach. Their teeth were cylindrical and ever-growing, resembling a mouthful of tightly packed tubes. These peculiar teeth were perfectly suited for their seagrass diet. The rough surfaces of the teeth, combined with powerful jaw muscles, allowed them to effectively grind and crush tough plant material. The ever-growing nature of their teeth ensured a constant supply of fresh grinding surfaces, essential for a diet high in abrasive silica found in seagrass. Their tusks, projecting forward from the lower jaw, likely served multiple purposes. They may have been used for digging up seagrass rhizomes from the ocean floor or for defense against potential predators. These specialized teeth and tusks highlight the remarkable adaptations that allowed Desmostylus to thrive in its coastal environment. While fossil evidence provides valuable insights into the anatomy and lifestyle of Desmostylus, some aspects of their biology remain shrouded in mystery. One such question is their mode of reproduction. Did they lay eggs like their reptilian ancestors, or did they give birth to live young like modern marine mammals? While definitive proof is elusive, the majority of evidence points towards live birth. Their robust skeletons and terrestrial ancestry suggest that returning to land to lay eggs would have been cumbersome and unlikely. Furthermore, their close evolutionary relationship with other placental mammals strengthens the case for live birth in Desmostylus. If they did give birth to live young, it raises intriguing questions about their parental care. Did they nurse their young like modern whales and dolphins? Did they seek sheltered lagoons and estuaries to raise their calves away from the dangers of the open ocean? These questions continue to fuel the imaginations of paleontologists and remind us of the many mysteries still held by the fossil record. Desmostylus occupies a unique and significant place in the evolutionary history of mammals. They belong to the order Desmostylia, a group of extinct herbivorous mammals that thrived in the coastal waters of the northern Pacific. While their exact evolutionary relationships remain a subject of debate, Desmostylus provides a fascinating link between land-dwelling mammals and their aquatic descendants. Their closest living relatives are believed to be proboscidea, like elephants, and sirenia, like manatees and dugongs. This unexpected kinship, revealed through genetic analysis and anatomical comparisons, highlights the astonishing diversity of the mammalian lineage. Desmostylus stands as a testament to the power of evolution to shape life into a remarkable array of forms, each adapted to its own ecological niche. The story of Desmostylus is a reminder of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on Earth. These unusual creatures, with their hippo-like bodies, elephantine tusks and unique teeth, navigated the coastal waters of the northern Pacific millions of years ago. Their extinction, likely driven by a combination of climate change and competition for resources, marked the end of an entire order of mammals. However, their legacy lives on through their fossils, offering us a glimpse into a bygone era. Each discovery, from a single tooth to a complete skeleton, helps us piece together the puzzle of their existence. Desmostylus may be gone, but their story continues to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of life on Earth and the importance of understanding and protecting our planet's biodiversity.